So today's small project is try to replace this parking brake sensor. It doesn't seem to be working, it's always on. There's a part number. It's supposed to be OEM Ford. About 15 bucks on eBay. And it's located right. Let me see if I can get there. Right over here. Those two wires. Getting to the connector looks like reasonably easy. I'll have to see. So for removal, all you need is a socket, 7mm. You can see right there the silver screw, silver bolt, whatever it is. And that's it, it's out. Just a single. Connector itself looks like it'll be easier just to remove after unbolting the whole thing. Because I don't really care about saving the old connector, I'm just using the whatever wires biters just to bite through the plastic and hopefully remove this thing. And that's it, it's removed. This is the old part. I guess technically I could test it with a multimeter, but can't be bothered because well, I already have a new one. But I will test the new one before putting it in. Actually, I'll test it just so you see. So we'll just test for continuity. That beep means there is continuity. You take the old plug. You can kind of almost cannot see, there are two wires inside, two plugs. So we connect one to one end and the second one to the other one. As you can see, there's no consistency in the result. It just beeps and not beeps sometimes. If we take the new one and we do the same thing, connect to one terminal and connect the second terminal. Every time I press, there is consistent result. So the new switch is definitely working. I actually took the switch apart. As you can see, it's just glued in. It doesn't really come back together unless you reglue it. Just a spring inside and a washer, and basically when you release the brake, it breaks the contact. There's the inside. It looks like just a bit of a corrosion of some kind, and that's why it's not breaking a contact every time like the new one does. I guess you can technically maybe clean it up, put a new washer and glue it back together. Can't be bothered. And now just need to screw it in back with the 7mm and we're done. There it is, the new one is installed. And that's it for the day.